Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'm taking a break from cooking. I came out, this is what I do when I'm not cooking. These flowers I planted about a month ago, and look how beautiful. Wait till they fill in. What I do is I go to a nursery where they sell flowers, most of nothing but flowers, not like a store like Walmart or nothing. I go there and I always pick out the prettiest flowers they have, and I just work with them. I enjoy this. I plant them. I do my, I don't care what they are. These are zinnia, different types of flowers. And that's a cornflower. Like I said, petunias. I put if it's pretty, I'm going to get it in my garden. That's what I do. But I'll share this with you in another, because all these spaces, all these flowers going to fill up. See, look at this one right here. That's the purple one and white one. That is so pretty. That's a popcorn flower, I think. I don't know what that is, but it's so beautiful. Okay, these are around my mailbox. I plant around my mailbox, different ones. And I plant marigolds because I know a lot of people, I don't know why snakes like to hang around a mailbox, but they said, I've looked it up, and Google said that snakes do not like marigolds, and especially the small ones. They can't stand the smell of them. So this is what I'm doing. And I work with this, and I like this. That's my joy. My grass, I cut my grass too, and it's coming on pretty. So sharing that with you too. Here's another flower bed that I like. You know, these come back every year. Those like bordering stuff. It gets so wide after a while it'll take over your yard. I like doing that. It's like a good border. And here's this, I don't know this one. I saw that in the store. That pink one is so beautiful, and it blooms so quickly. They'll lose a lot of them, and then a lot come back. And here's my favorite spot, because these are colorless, and all you have to do, they're gonna fill up. I got a few marigolds in them because I saw a snake one time and it scared me. When they get big, when you plant flowers like these colorless and marigold, they get really, you better space them probably about 12 inches, because they're gonna get real big. And here's all different types of them, and I plant them, they come back. Like I say, they don't come back, they're not perennials, they are annual. You have to plant, but all my flowers are mostly just annual. Here's another little short section. This is about 12 feet, maybe about 15 feet long, of flowers that'll go around my porch, and I put them together. These are zinnias in the back, and they're gonna get so big. Like I said, it's a good month of planting them. They were little, like you go into the store and you get those little, it'd be 16 in a little thing. Most of them I buy that, but a lot of them are just individual, because flowers can come out to be very expensive. And knowing me, because I only like annual, and that's can be a little pricey, but they are beautiful. I like attending to them. Once again, thank you for sharing my flower with me. Here's another section of flowers that gonna fill in. They seem like they're spaced out. My flowers get so thick because I plant them, big ones, like all these get spread. You can't even get through here. Most of the time I'm scared to come through. I keep my garden real clean, but don't that looks pretty down there? See how they are? Once they fill in, like I say, I'll be showing them to you. I'll probably show them again in another week or so, and you'll see the difference of it. This is like going down. This is about 30 feet of flowers. And these in the autumn, they come back every year. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into Mattie's Kitchen. And make sure y'all look at that video that I did, the last video I did, which was salmon croquettes and teaching you how to cook grits. Share that with friends. A lot of people like grits, and a lot of people can't cook grits. So I'm teaching you how to cook them on my show. Thank you once again for tuning into Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful day.